After 20 weeks of training, anything can go wrong in marathon day.
There is going to be a period when you are really struggling to get through next 500 meters. I've been running for about 10, 11 years now. I have run 11 full marathons.
I did my first marathon in 2019, and then COVID happened, and so I started running like a lot of people started running. I think part of what makes the modern world so stressful is that we have so much more information available to us. Decision-making has become much more difficult. Mental fatigue is a real thing. What running has taught me is how to process this modern stress. It's given me the ability to clear my mind. So many times, I'll start a run thinking about a difficult issue. I'll forget about the issue and just focus on the run. And then at the end of the run, something miraculous happens. I have an answer to that same issue.
Running has taught me two things. The first is discipline. You have to run a marathon before a marathon in form of training for 4 months, where you need to go out on long runs, do your strength training, and remain really disciplined to be ready for a marathon. And second is perseverance. It's not very easy for body to get through 42 kilometers.
Anything can go wrong in marathon day, and that's okay.
Running marathon is all about running in unpredictable conditions. But marathon running is all about embracing that unpredictable phase. And if you can embrace that mindset of embracing unpredictable, you can go far in your life.
It's about the journey. It's about the benefits that running brings to you beyond just your marathon time.
The marathon training is a very community-based activity in India. The feeling of being together is just very, very joyous.
The beauty of the marathon is that at the end of the marathon, you finish the race and you're overwhelmed with the satisfaction of knowing that your discipline, sacrifice, and dedication paid off. The New Delhi Marathon represents Cognizant's core values. We believe in continuously raising the bar and challenging ourselves to achieve greater heights. We have 1,400 associates and 600 friends and family who have registered for the race.
Much before you became an engineer or a supervisor, you were first a runner. Remember that joy that you ran in a field with your arms wide open and your smile on your face? I want you to take the same feeling and bring it to Cognizant New Delhi Marathon.
I encourage our Cognizant associates and community to come to the New Delhi Marathon and cheer on our runners.